Guys, are you feeling stuck? Are you feeling lost? Or even overwhelmed? Well, I'm here to tell you you're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle to find meaning and purpose in their own life. But what if I told you that there's a way to break free from that cycle of stress and anxiety? In this video, I'm gonna share with you 8 simple yet powerful steps that will completely transform your life. Now we'll dive into the topics like goal setting and time management, and even self-care, building strong relationships. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to a happier, more fulfilling life. Step 1, dream big. Let's talk about our dreams. Let's talk about your dreams. Not just the little everyday dreams, but the big ones, the big dreams. Picture your ideal life. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Now, make sure you write it down. Be very specific. The more detailed your vision is, the clearer your path. And don't let fear hold you back. Make sure you dream big and dare to achieve it. Step 2, we're gonna talk about prioritizing your life. Now, time management isn't about squeezing every last drop out of the day. It's about prioritizing what truly matters, what lights your fire. Focus on those things and let the rest slide. Now, remember, saying no to something is often saying yes to something else. So you want to prioritize your task, schedule your day, and make time for what truly matters. Step 3, declutter your mind and your space. Now, a cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. So take some time to declutter your environment. Toss out anything you don't need or anything you don't love anymore, right? This physical act can have a profound impact on your mental clarity. So when you declutter your space, you can also help declutter your mind, allowing you to focus on what's more important. Make sure you invest in yourself, okay? So self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. You want to eat nourishing food, you want to get regular exercise, and you want to make sure you prioritize your sleep. Your body and your mind will thank you. Man, don't I know it. Investing in yourself means taking care of your physical, your mental, and even your emotional health. Now, when you feel good, you perform better in all areas of your life. Now, you want to make sure you build strong relationships. What does that mean? That means to surround yourself with positive, supportive people. You want to nurture those relationships and let go of the ones that drain you. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Now, strong relationships can provide love, support, and encouragement. So make time for your loved ones and build meaningful connections. So step 6, practice gratitude. Shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. You want to take a moment each day to appreciate the good things in your life. Now, I want you to know that gratitude can transform your perspective and boost your overall happiness. Now, by practicing your gratitude, you can also cultivate a more positive mindset and attract more positivity in your life. Step 7, you want to live in the moment. Mindfulness is the art of being present instead of worrying about the past or the future. Focus on the here and the now. Pay attention to your thoughts, pay attention to your feelings, and even your sensations. Guys, if you practice mindfulness, you can reduce your stress, improve your focus, and also enhance your overall well-being. Now, step 8, you want to review and adapt. Understand that life is a journey and not a destination. You want to stay flexible, adapt to change, and always keep moving forward. You want to regularly assess your goals and make adjustments as needed. Guys, remember, it's okay to change your mind or pivot on your plans. The important thing is to keep moving forward. So ask yourself, are you ready to take control of your destiny? Do me a solid, hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey together. Now, you guys know me. I'm always going to tell you these 3 things at the end of my video, and I hope they resonate with you guys because I've been saying this for the past 5 years or more. You want to stay positive, you want to stay motivated, and stay inspired, guys. But most importantly, I need y'all to stay rocking with Ace. Peace.